Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with freshly cleansed skin. This helps the corrector adhere. Next, moisturize lightly and allow 2 to 3 minutes so oils don't break down the formula. Now pick the Nykaa shade, green for redness, peach for dark circles, lavender for sallowness, because matching neutralizes the undertone before foundation. Use a small amount, less is better. Dab the product where needed using a fingertip or precise brush, tapping gently to press pigment into skin rather than rubbing it away. Once the corrector is placed, blend immediately with a damp sponge or a small dense brush in gentle, stippling motions so you don't remove pigment. Make sure to build in thin layers. One thin layer often does the job. Add a second only if coverage is insufficient. For under eye or oily areas, lightly set with translucent powder between layers to prevent creasing and to lock pigment. If you're mixing shades, blend on the back of your hand, first to customize tone before applying. Now apply foundation or concealer over the corrected areas using tapping motions. This preserves the neutralized base. Make sure you blend the edges into surrounding skin for a seamless transition. Finish with a light mist of setting spray to meld layers and extend wear. Touch up oily zones with powder only where necessary. If the coverage looks heavy or wrong, wipe the spot with micellar water, start again with a clean, thin layer, and rebuild slowly. This prevents cakey buildup and keeps results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.